Are you ready? Are you ready to hear some thought-provoking concepts about how we move our body? I'm Linda Gee-Hesketh, and I'm here as a mom, a wife, a grandma, and formerly trained as a kinesiologist. So the science of human movement, but also a world traveler. So I'm going to bring you concepts based in Ayurvedic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, different cultural thoughts on movement, and hopefully inspire you to apply some of these really simple principles that are so cool and they leave us feeling so good. And the side bonus is that we look really good and we move in an agile way, and it's sustainable and harmonious with the rest of our lives. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm here because I want to dispel a myth that when we're not feeling 100%, whether we're injured or if maybe we have a head cold or something's going on, that we shouldn't be exercising or we shouldn't be moving. Because one of the ways that we repair something that's not working at 100% is we get more immune cells to that area. And the immune cells travel on the lymphatic system. And the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump. It depends on gravity and it depends on movement. So whether it's your massage therapist or your physio or your acupuncturist, pushing your fluids around by moving your body and getting these muscles to contract, or if it's you moving your body, then that's how it works. So yes, if you're feeling like you have a really congested head, and I tell you, there's nothing like head pain. I completely empathize. I completely have empathy if you have head pain, but definitely doing things that will drain your sinuses, drain the lymph glands in your neck, get the fluid moving through the lymphatic gates in the underarms and moving that congested fluid in toward your gut so that our they're called macrophages, but what's an easier term? So our little Pac-Man, like our little destroyers of those toxins, can get at it, and then it can be flushed through our gut into our urine, into our bowel system. Like, it can be eliminated from the body. Right now, if you're not getting it into the gut, like it's sitting in the mucous membranes and just feeling so stagnant and congested and full. So definitely getting things moving will make all the difference. So whether you're using massage, if you're using gua sha, if you're using a microcurrent, these are all super powerful. And physical movement is one of the most powerful, immediate, effective things other than gravity. So whether it's doing a few shoulder rolls, moving your chin toward one shoulder and then the other, whether it's moving your jaw so that the muscles of your throat are contracting, all of these things will work. It will help open the lymphatic gates, flush the toxins out, get the immune cells in. And we don't want you lying around. So if you're not feeling well and you just think, oh, this is like movie day, I'm just going to lie down. Like, this is going to bring all your fluid to the lowest level point, which might be lungs. So, we're not going to encourage any invitations of pneumonia or things like this. We're going to get you moving. We're going to get you sitting upright, moving around, drinking lots of fluid. So once those lymphatic gates are open, the fluid dynamics have lots of flow. And on days that you don't feel like it, it's still really beneficial. Even if it's slow, even if it's using the hydrostatic compression of a bath, like being surrounded by bath water will cause some contraction and move that fluid through. So yeah, sometimes it feels good to have a hot bath. Sometimes it feels good to do a detox bath and get kind of a sweating response so you can get the toxins through the skin, because the skin is a giant detoxification organ. And so, yes, all of these things are beneficial rather than just lying still and not moving. So that's my little mini episode around what to do when you really want to feel better and you're feeling so congested. I have, I don't know if it's 10 or 13 things that I would recommend. I'll put it in the show notes, but also, sorry about that, pen rolling on the desk. I'll also put some shopping links if you want some of these things that are absolutely proven to repair the immune system. There's a molecule called E10. It's great for all mammals, and it actually repairs the immune system, not just boosts the immune system. And the best way I can explain it is think of imagine if you had a castle and you were guarding it, and you had archers with arrows, you had knights on horses, you had defense fighters with cannonballs. The person who's really valuable to your line of defense is the scout. The scout is going to tell you where the invaders are, and then you can launch the attack. So what AIE10 does is it repairs the immune system so the communication is better, and it makes your scouts better. So that's what I'm going to encourage for remedy and strategies, and check it out. I'll look forward to hearing what you think in the comments, and I'm wishing you the most beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed our time together. If you'd like to deepen some understanding or continue to have shared experiences together, I invite you to connect on my website. It's www.lindagehesketh.com, and there are some freebies on there. Also, I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Linda Gee-Hesketh. And if you're on Facebook, there's a free Facebook community group. It's called Celebrating Delicious Movement Podcasts. And I look forward to connecting with you some more.